Chapter number 2, expression and formulas. Now see, expression and formulas. Right? Most interesting topic, easy one. Question number 2 and 3. We'll try to solve question number 2 and 3. Now see. Copy and complete. So the question says that 3 square into 3 raised to the power 4 is equal to, fill in the blanks is given, right? In order to solve such type of questions, so we have 3 square into 3 raised to the power 4. So if base is same, simply add the powers. Simply add the powers. So 4 plus 2 is what? 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now what is the rule? So rule says that a raised to the power n into times a raised to the power n, a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n. So if this is called as base, this is basically base. M and n, they are called powers basically. They are powers. A is base, m and n, they are basically powers. So if base is same, simply add the powers. So a raised to the power m plus n, a raised to the power m plus n. So this is rule number 1. Rule number 2 says that, rule number 2 says that
Who is it?
a
Who
raised
is
to the
it?
power m over a raised to the power
Shaurya?
n. A raised to
My
the
class is
power
going on,
m over
Shaurya.
a
God.
raised to the power n. So it is but basically, yeah, a raised to the power m over a raised to the power n. It is nothing but a raised to the power m minus n. M minus n. We have to take the difference of these two powers. So question number 2 says that 5 raised to the power 12 over 5 raised to the power 9. 5 raised to the power 12 over 5 raised to the power 9. Use this formula. A raised to the power m over a raised to the power n is nothing but a raised to the power m minus n. A raised to the power m minus n. So it is 5 raised to the power 12 over 5 raised to the power 9. So both the terms are in division form. So simply what we do, simply take the difference of these two. So 12 minus 9, that is how much? 3. 12 minus 9 is how much? 3. Next question. 7 square raised to the power 5 is equal to how much? So simply use this formula. This question is of type a raised to the power m raised to the power n. A raised to the power m raised to the power n. It is nothing but a raised to the power m times n. It is a raised to the power mn. So it is 7 square raised to the power 5 is equal to. So simply multiply these two. 5 times 2 is what? 10. 5 times 2 is 10. So 7 raised to the power 10 is the required answer. 7 raised to the power 10 is the right answer. So let me summarize all the formulas. So first formula, a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n. Simply add the powers when the base are same. Second formula, a raised to the power m over a raised to the power n. So it is e raised to the power m minus n. Take the difference of these two. Take the difference of two. Third one, a raised to the power m raised to the power n. It is nothing but a raised to the power mn. A raised to the power m into n. M times n. Next one. Next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 says that expand. Expand. Question number 3. Expand. So first question is x plus 2. I repeat x plus 2. So in case of expansion, basically expansion means opening the bracket and simplify. Expansion means open the bracket and simplify. So for opening the bracket, you need to multiply this x with x and this x with 2. So see, x multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by x. So by default, the power is 1, 1. So when base is same, simply add the powers. I repeat, when base is same, simply add the powers. So it will be x ki power 2 plus 2 times of x. X ki power 2 plus 2 times of x. Similarly, question number B. Question number B. Expand, open the bracket. So it is 3y within a bracket 4y minus 7w. 4y minus 7w. 4y minus 7w. Simply multiply these two terms together. So it is 4 3s are 12 y square minus 3y times 7w. So 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21 yw. Yw. So this is the required answer. 12 y square minus 21 yw. This is the required answer. So whenever in the question they ask you to expand, simply open the bracket, multiply, use the identities, right? Use the laws, you'll get the required answer. Next variety of question. Question number 4. Question number 4, factorize. Factorize. Question number 4 is quite interesting one. Factorize. Now see, factorize 4 times of x plus 12. 4 times of x plus 12, right? Those questions which have factorization, they ask you to factorize. So what we have to do, basically, we need to break 12 into 4 times 3. What we can do? You can break 12 into 4 times 3. You can write 12 as 4 times 3 plus 4 times of x. Right? Why we are doing so? So that we can take common. Why we are breaking 12 into 4 times 3? So that we can easily take the common part. So common is what? Common is 4 is common. So it is x plus 3. X plus 3. If you take 4 as common, so we have 4 here and this is also 4. So you can easily take 4 common. So what is left? X plus 3. X plus 3. Similarly, this question number B. So it is 4x square plus 14x. 4x square plus 14x. So what we can do? So you can write 4 as, so 2 times 2 into x square plus 14 as 2 times 7 times x. 2 times 7 times 6. 7 times 2 is 14, right? So you can easily take 2 as common. You can take x as common. So if you take 2x as common, so what is left? So we are left with 2. This is basically x plus we have 7. Yeah. I repeat, when you take 2 as common, so we are left with 2 times of x plus 7. So 2x plus 7, and within a bracket we have 2x. We have 2x. So this is the required answer. This is how we do factorization. It's easy, it's not tough at all. Simply factorize. Simply break them and just take the common, you will get the answer. Now next one. Next question, question number 5. Question number 5. Work out. Work out. Fifth A. Fifth A. So 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3. So 3 by 4 plus 2 over 3. So what we can do is simply take the LCM. 4 times 3 is 12. Now cross multiply, 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 2 is 8. So 9 plus 8 is 17 over 12. This is the required answer. 17 over 12 is the required answer. Next one. B1. So it is 2 whole number 1 over 2 minus 1 whole number 3 over 10. So what we do? We just simply multiply these two terms together. So 2 2s are 4 plus 1, that is 5 over 2 minus 10 ones are 10 plus 3 is 13 over 10. 13 over 10. So LCM is basically 10. 10 is the LCM. So 5. 2 times 5 is 10 minus 13 times 1. So 5 5s are 25 minus 13 over 10. 25 minus 13 over 10. What is 25 minus 13? So 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 over 10. So required answer is 1 whole number 2 over 10. 1 whole number 2 over 10 is the required answer. It's easy, simple. Next one. The next one. Question number 6. Question number 6. So use the formula. Use the formula F is equal to ma to work out mass and acceleration. So use the formula F is equal to ma to work out F when mass is given, acceleration is given, right? So formula is F is equal to ma. So the question says that when mass is 10, acceleration is how much? Acceleration is 2.5. Acceleration is how much? 2.5. So we need to find the value for force. So what is force? So 2.5 times 10 is what? 25. 25. So force is 25. Simply multiply. 25. So this is the first part. First part. Now second part. Second part of the question. Second part of the question. Rearrange the following formula to make A as a subject. So F is equal to ma. F is equal to ma. They ask you to find A as a subject. A as a subject. So A can be written as force over mass. A can be written as force over mass. This is B variety. B type. The acceleration is nothing but force over mass. Simple. Third part. Third part. C1. 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 Use the formula in the part B to work out A when F is 72 and mass is 12. Okay, fine. So force is 72, mass is 12. Mass is 12. They ask you to find the value of A. Okay. So how to find the value of A? So A is equal to force over mass. Force over mass. That is 72 over 12. 72 over 12. Now you can divide by 6. So 6 times 2 is 12. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. 2 times 6 is 12. So 12 6 are 6, 72. So the required answer is 6. Clear? I hope concepts are clear. Next one. The next one, that is exercise number 2.1. 2.1. Substituting expressions. Substituting expressions. Substituting expressions. Right? Yeah. Substituting expressions. This is exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Okay. So the question says that copy and complete the working to find the values of each expression when x is 3, y is 5. Okay, x की value is given 3, y is 5. So, and we need to find the fill in the blanks, right? So x minus 2a. Okay. Yes. So it is x minus 2y. We need to solve x minus 2y. So x value is 3, y value is 5. So 3 minus 5 times 2 is how much? 5 times 2 is 10. So 3 minus 10 is minus 7. Minus 7. Similarly, solve the b1, d1. So it is x cube plus xy is equal to 3 cube plus 3 times 5. So 3 cube is what? 27 plus 15. 3 cube is what? 3 times 3 times 3. You can solve it. 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 threes are 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27. Plus 15. Now add. Simply add. 7 plus 5. 12. But 2 carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3, 1, 4. So 42 is the required answer. 42 is the right answer. Next one. This is question number 2. Question number 3, I will give you for homework. So this third question is for your homework. You can solve and send the answer for checking. So this third question is for your homework. Homework. Okay. Next one. Question number 2. Question number 2. Work out the values of each expression when A is given, B is given, C is given, and D is given. Okay. So ABCD values are known to us, and they ask you to find the value of the expressions. So first question. Work out the values of each expression when A is -2, B is 3, C is -4, D is 6. Okay, fine. So value of B, what is the value for B? B is basically 3. 3. And what is the value of D? D is how much? D is basically 6. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. Second question, B1. B1. A plus 2 times of B. A plus 2 times of B. What is the value of A? A is what? -2 plus 2 times of B. B value is 3. B value is 3. So it is -2 plus 6. That is plus 4. -2 plus 6. That is plus 4. Plus 4. Now C1. C1. Third question. 2D minus B. 2D minus B. 2 times of D minus B. That is very easy. So the value of D is how much? 6. Value of D is 6 minus B, and the value of B is 3. Value of B is 3. So 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 12 minus 3 is 9. So 9 is the required answer. I repeat, they will give you some expressions. They will give you some expressions, and what we have to do, we need to just put the values in. We need to put the values, solve it. So it is 2 times of D minus B. So the value of D, what is the value of D? D is 6. So 2 times 6 is 12 minus B. And what is the value of B? B is basically 3. So 12 minus 3 is basically 9. 12 minus 3 is 9. Okay, I hope the concept is clear. Okay, next one. This is question number D. Question number D. It is 4B plus 2A. Question number D is 4B plus 2. 4B plus 2. Yeah. So for value of B, what is the value of B? B is basically 3 plus 2 times of A. The value of A is -2. The value of A is minus 2. So 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 4. So 8. 8 is the required answer. 8 is the right answer. Okay. Next one. Next one. Now EHI. EHI. Question number EHI. Question number E. BD minus 10. What is the value of B? What is the value of B? B is basically 3. D. What is the value of D is 6 minus 10. So 18 minus 10 is how much? 18 minus 10 is 8. H. H1. So it is D square plus AB. What is the value of D? D is what? 6. So it is 6 square plus A times B. A times B. What is the value of A? That is -2. What is the value of B? B is basically 3. B is 3. So 6 are 36 plus minus. See, plus minus is minus. So -6 So 36 minus 6 is how much? 30. 30. It's simple. Put the values, solve, we'll get the answer. For example, I1. So it is d over 2 minus a. D over 2 minus. So what is the value for d? D is 6 over 2 minus a. And what is the value of minus a? Minus a is minus by 2. So this will be 3 plus 2. That is how much? 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. So required answer is 5. Okay. Simple, put the values, you'll get the answers. Put the values, you'll get the answer. Simple, no issue. Next one. Now, 3 questions for your homework. So, question number K, L, and this particular question that is J. Yeah. So, these 3 questions for your homework. These 3 questions are for your homework, right? A1, that J1, then K, then last question that is L1. These 3 questions for your homework. J, K, L. Now, next one. Next one. Question number 6. Copy and complete the working to find the values of each expressions. Okay, when the value of m is given, p is given, right? So in this particular question, they have given the value for m and p, and they ask you to just do the fill in the blanks type of questions. So how to approach such type of questions? They are very easy, simple. Put the values, solve, and you'll get the answer. For example, this question. So it is 4 times of m plus 2p. M plus 2p. So it is basically 4. This is 4. What is m? The value of m is how much? 2 plus 2 times of p. What is the value of p? P is minus 4. Minus 4. So it is 4. 2 minus 4 2 is 8. Now, okay. Now fill in the blank basically. So this is 2 minus 8. Now fill in the blanks 2 minus 8. So 2 positive minus 8 is what? That is minus 6. So it's minus 6. So minus 6 plus 4 is minus 24. Minus 24. So the required answer is minus 24. Minus 24 is the required answer. What we have to do? Simply put the values, solve, you'll get the answer. Basic, simple mathematics. Next one, B1. B1. So it is PQ minus 3MP. PQ minus 3MP. We need to find the value of PQ minus 3MP. So PQ minus 3 times of M into P. What is the value of PQ? P is basically minus 4 ka cube minus 3 times of M into P. M is what? M is 2. P value is minus 4. P value is minus 4. Okay. Now see. It is important to note that negative. So if we have negative number, raised to the power even value, negative raised to the power odd values is always negative raised to the power even value is positive. I repeat, negative term raised to the power even value, negative term raised to the power even value is always positive. Negative term raised to the power odd values is always negative. Negative term raised to the power odd values is always negative. Negative term raised to the power even value is always positive. Let's simply put the values here. So it will be 64 with negative sign. Then minus minus is plus. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Then minus the 1 8. Okay, you can recheck. You can do the recheck part. See, Minus का 4 का cube, minus I have told you minus raised to the power odd value is negative, so minus 4 4s are 16, 16 times 4 is 64, plus minus 26 plus 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So minus 64 plus 24 is minus 40, minus 40. So the required answer is minus 40. Minus 40 is the required answer. I hope the concept is clear. Okay, good. Next one. Question number 7. Work out the values of each expression. So W is given, X is given, Y is given, okay, and Z value is known to us. They ask you to find the values of the expression that are given. Okay. Now first one. It is 3 times of W plus X. So it is 3 times of W plus X. What is the value of W? W is basically 5 plus X. What is the value of X? X is 2. X is 2. X is 2. So 3 times of 5 plus 2 is 7. So 7 threes are 21. 7 times 3 is 20. Yeah. Next one, B1. So it is x times of 2w minus y. X times of 2w minus y. What is the value of x? X is basically 2. So it is 2 times of w. What is the value of w? W is basically 5. Minus y. And what is the value of minus y? Is minus ka 8. Minus ka 8. So it is 2 times of, yeah. Now, simplify. So it is 2 times of 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus minus is plus ka 8. So 2 times of 10 plus 8 is 18. 18. 18. 18 times 2, 8 to the 16, 36. 36 is the right answer. 36 is the required answer. C1. 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 So it is 3w minus z ka cube. 3w minus z ka cube. 3w minus z ka cube. So it is 3 times of w minus z ka cube. So 3 times of w. W is what? W is 5. Minus z ka cube. Z ka cube is how much? Minus 1 ka cube. So 5 times 3 is 15 minus. Minus 1 ka cube is what? Minus 1 raised to the power odd values is negative. So minus 1. So 15 plus 1, that is how much? 16. 16. 15 plus 1, that is how much? 16. 16 is the required answer. Same values. Then I will give you 3 questions for your homework. I will do the H question for you. So H is what? 25 minus 2w square. 25 minus 2w square. So it is 25 minus 2 times of w square. What is the value of w? That is 5. 5 ka square. So it is 25 minus 2 times of 5. 5 are 25. So it is 25 minus 2 times of 25 is 50. Is 50. 50. 25 minus 50 is how much? 25. 25 is the required answer. 25 is the required answer. Now this question is for your homework. I hope the concept is clear. Okay. Now question number 9. Question number 9. Work out the values of each expression. So expression is given. We need to find the value. So how to approach such type of questions? Simply use brackets. So first one, it is 4 times of x square. What is the value of x square? X value. X is how much? 2. So it is 2 square minus 1. Lose the value. Then put the value of x as 2. So it is 2 cube over 4 plus 12. Now simplify. So it is 4. 2 times 2 square is what? 4. 2 square is basically what? 4. 4 minus 1 is how much? 3. 3 plus. It is 2 ka cube. What is 2 ka cube? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 by 4 is how much? 8 by 4 is how much? 2. So 2 plus 12 is how much? 14. 14. I repeat. See, I'm doing mentally. So 2 2 is a 4 2 is a 8. 8 by 4 is how much? 2. 2 plus 12 is how much? 4. 2 plus 12 is how much? 14. 14. So 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 14. 12 plus 14. Now simply add. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 26. 26. 26. Similarly, B1. B1. Now B1 is quite interesting one. B1. 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 So it is 3y minus 5. So 3y value is what? 3 minus 5 over 2 plus 2 times. So y cube is what? 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. 27 minus 21 over y. Y is what? 3. Y is 3. Now simplify. 3 sevens are 21. Okay. Now 3 threes are 9. 9 minus 5 is what? 3 threes are 9. 9 minus 5 over 2 plus 7. 27 times 2 is 54 minus 7. Now, 9 minus 5 is what? 4. 4 by 2 is how much? 2 plus 54 minus 7. Now, simply add the positive terms together. So, 54 plus 2 is how much? 56. 56 minus 7, that is 49. Yeah. See, 56 minus 6 is what? 50. 50 minus 1 is how much? 49. 14. Clear.